Hi everyone. So if you guys saw my other video, I did manage to snag a grab bag, but mine was technically a box. And in my box, I got 4 of these big planner sticker books. I love this one. It is not like planner themed at all. I instantly saw, I was like, oh my gosh, I could use this for crafting. So I'm super stoked. That's what we're going to do today. We are going to make ATC cards, which was one of the things I said I wanted to make with these. So when I have like extra small scraps, I start cutting pieces down and I'm starting to build like a little stash of things. So I had these left over from some cards that I was doing. So these are 2.5 by 3.5, and then I had a little bit of gold paper. So these are 2.25 by 3.25. So when I had cut these, I thought like, oh, that would be really cute to go ahead and like layer up and, you know, possibly use for an ATC base. So like I said, I already had these cut, and then now that I got this book, I'm like, this is gonna be great. So I was also thinking about doing coins, like trading coins, because these are circles right here. So they're kind of like a vellum circle. Or like I said, I was thinking about a master board, and these I kind of make cards, so I might save those. But let me show you what I wanted to use. I love this page. Where are they? Like these two, wouldn't these be like a great base for like a trading coin? So yeah, I definitely want to save those. Of course, now I can't find the page that I wanted when I did this on camera. Where are they? See, this is so pretty. Great. Where is it? Am I crazy, or did I not see pages in here the other day? There it is. I'm like, okay, I swear I saw boxes in here the other day. Okay, so this is what I want to do to make some ATC cards. So got my glue here. So what we are going to do is we are going, I hope that'll look pretty. I wonder if this is a good size. Okay, let's just wing it and let's see. So I cut these down because I wanted to glue this gold to that ATC card to start making some bases. So let's use them. So the craft paper is from Hobby Lobby. And then this gold is actually a poster board from Dollar Tree. So let's glue that there. We'll do 2. We'll glue this one down here. And then let's see if those little pieces will fit on this gold and look nice, because I did not measure this piece right there. So there we have our base. Cover my glue. Okay, let's see. This one already has a little sentiment on there, so let's take that one. So here's our little sentiment. Let's see. Let me move my book to the side. Let's try to line this up nice and even. How long is that? Oh no, that's too long. Let's see. Oh, this is almost the same length as my gold. So I'm gonna have to eyeball it. I hope that's, nope, that's not even either. How about there? There we go. That looks pretty even there. So now we have our little base. And I definitely want to go in and add something else to it, like, you know, maybe a little flower sticker. Maybe like a little bee, because it's be kind. So every time I see that, it makes me think of like a bumblebee. So that's a little start. I do have this gold paint here that I got on clearance the other day. Oh, that looks kind of yucky. Oh, that's just a little lid. Let's see. Do we want to use this paint to kind of like ink the edges? Oh, I like that. Just give it a little bit of extra touch. So instead of using ink, I'm going to use this gold paint, and then that blends with that layering gold piece that we put on there. Oh my gosh, I'm loving that. Oops, that was a little bit too much. Okay, wipe some of that off. And let's pick up some more of that gold. You see, I'm just using my finger, nothing too fancy or crazy there. Oh my gosh, I love that little bit of extra sparkle of just putting that paint around the edge. I'm loving that. Okay, definitely want to do that on this one as well. So let's get some more gold paint. Let's just rub this on right now. You can see I got a little too crazy right there, but that's okay. That is part of doing handcrafted stuff. It's not all going to be even and look the same. I really need to bring some like baby wipes out here so that way I could just quickly wash some of this paint off. I like it. Okay. That worked out great. This was also on clearance from Hobby Lobby. I think it might have been on clearance because it, you know, had spilled. It had opened, but really good price. So we got that one done. Let's do this florally one. And then, like I said, we just need to bring like some stickers. This one's gonna need a little sentiment to go with it. Oh, that paint's still wet. So this one's gonna need a sentiment. See, this one already has that one. So, oh, should we like layer up one of these? I don't know if that'll look good. Can we add some more paint to this one? Let's see. I'll rub some paint on the edge here to kind of like have it all look kind of blended together. I'm loving the gold paint, but I don't think I'm loving that on there. So we're going to put this back into the book. Oh, one of these. This will look pretty. That I can cut up. I like this one. So this one says, joy is a beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. So I think we'll do this one. Let's cut this. So let's cut to here. Joy is the beauty. I'll put that to the side. Can I add some ink onto here? Okay, let's see. We'll leave that. I keep saying ink, but this is paint. So I'm going to add some of that gold paint on here. Just so it kind of matches everything else. I think that's going to be really pretty. So we'll put that. Oh, that's going to take up almost all the space. We're going to have to trim this down. So you just cut it. Just make sure you re-ink or re-add paint to wherever you cut. So I'm going to lightly put that there because I want to place everything down and see if that's in the spot that I want. So we're going to go, and we got to make sure it fits in here. So I'm going to cut right here. Like I said, we're going to lightly put that there just to see how that fits. And then this part's going to be too long. So we're going to cut that end off. So these two are going to be trash. And then that could fit there. So I need to ink those two. But I'm thinking I might put them a little bit closer together like this. And then I could still add like maybe a flower or a sticker down here. I think that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. I put some more paint around the edge of these two. So I did this one more to the left, this one more to the right, and then the gratitude part right in the center. I did leave a little bit of space right here. I want to add some bling, and then I do want to add like a little flower, maybe a heart down here, because I just say heart right here. So I think a little heart would be really cute. And then, like I said, on this one, I did ink the edges. And then with this one, I definitely want to add like a little flower and a bumblebee. Maybe think a little charm off of there might be cute as well. But I just wanted to play around a little bit and give you guys an idea on how to use what you have. You know, this might say it's for a planner, but this one is perfect to use to make some ATC cards, some artist trading coins, some regular like cards. Like there's some long strips in here that you can definitely use. Like these you could use as like a little runner for a birthday card. Same with this one. I was thinking about cutting these up into 2 pieces and then using it like this for an ATC card base. So I'll definitely do some more and come back and share with you guys. Like I said, I'm thinking a master board would be really pretty, and then I can use that master board as the background for these ATC cards. See these little coins, I need to see what size circle punches I have that I can use that will go with these. So yeah, I'm gonna go dig through my stash, see what I have, and then like I said, I'll definitely do another update video where we will use this. I'm gonna do a goal. I hardly ever do goals on my channel because I don't really always have the time to follow through, but I really want to do a goal of trying to use this entire book up for crafting. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.